Hello my friends, in this video we are going to install or to beautify this rear window by putting this vent. See? So before, after, before and after. So the purpose of this is to beautify the corner of the vehicle, the rear end. Okay, so I got these on Amazon, $40 plus taxes, so including shipping. So let's just go install them. But before we do that, we don't need to put holes or anything. It comes with double-sided adhesive. So that's what I'm going to apply. All right. So the way this is work, this is the double-sided tape. It was provided by the merchant. So I will run the tape along the edges, okay, of the louver. I think it says they call it louver vent, but I just call it vent. Or louver, I think it's louver or something like that. But anyway, I will install it, run it along the side here. Okay, so I'm done installing the adhesive of the tape, and so here's what I did. You, I I peel off um, a little portion on each corner. It's you don't remove the whole thing because you have to give yourself a leeway to move it around to make it fit. If you remove the whole tape, then you won't be able to move it around. So it's best to peel off on the just the side, and once you're done with each section, then you just peel it off. Now let's just go ahead and install this. All right, so now it is recommended that we use some clean wipe, okay, to to remove any dirt or small microscopic particles. And okay, and the reason for that is you can have a good seal, okay, a good seal. So let's do this. Okay, so we are ready to install it. So you see where I peel off, and so and look at that. We always start at the bottom, and then watch out for the line, the contour. Okay, so you place it like this. Okay, okay. Make sure this one. Don't pay too much attention to the end. You have to pay attention to the front because you want this line up. If you pay attention to the front, then you might have it see like this, or yeah, but you want it just right. See how you're able to move it around. Had you remove all the tape, then that would have been almost impossible to do. And so now it sits properly. The bottom, see, it sits properly. Once the bottom sits properly, then I can don't press too hard, because if you press too hard, then you won't be able to remove the tape easily. So let me see like this, and so this is good right now. So now let me go ahead and now I do this one. See, you pull that. Yeah, yeah, okay. See, it is good. And what would happen is over time this will bond. The glue will bond, and then it will be very difficult to remove. But now there's not 100% okay bondage yet. Yeah, see, and then you press on it. Yeah. Okay. It is 95 degrees out here, and so in a couple of hours, or I mean about 30 minutes, if I park this car outside, this will be really sealed. Okay, so this is it. All right, this is it. This is what it looks. It looks a lot better than the original. Now let me go and show you the other side, which I've already done. There you go. This is the other side. Other side. Looks perfect. Yes. And the next video I will install window sunshade deflectors or window visors along the top of the door glass. So at least, I mean, first to make it look really neat, and also be able to lower the window a little bit when it rains, so the interior of the vehicle won't get wet. But mainly, it's just to make it to give it a robust look. All right. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.